Hey guys, this is Ellie from the Worldest channel. I know it's not the video you expected to see on the travel channel, but I'm not sure if you remember, Roma and I are both Ukrainians and our reality changed just recently. So on February 20th, I came back from Spain and hope to work on the new videos from Madrid and Toledo. On February 23rd, I hope to finish my video from Cologne, Germany. And on February 24th at 7:50 a.m., my mom called me and said, "Ellie, wake up. The war started." And our reality changed. Honestly, the first thought was, oh my god, what should we do? What will we do? Because we all were warned about this danger. And I didn't believe till the very end. I thought, what kind of a mad man should Putin be to invade Ukraine, right? I didn't want to believe, but I had to believe. So at first, they started bombing all the strategic objects like the airports, military units, what else? All the strategic objects they thought would be important. But starting from the day 3 or 4, they started bombing all the residential areas with the civilians. They started shooting the civilians.
В этом доме есть человек, вот в этом доме.
It's just so surrealistic. These kind of events are not supposed to happen in 2022. And I feel like I will not leave my country. I do not want to leave my country. I will do everything I can to help our army, to help the civilians who need food, like anything, some humanitarian help, aid. And yeah, a lot of my foreign friends, they offered to cross the border and go live abroad. They would give me a shelter, and I'm so thankful. But it's my home. I do not want to leave it. It's my motherland. And I'll do my best to stay alive and rebuild my country. I think you're watching the news, you know what's happening, and I'm really thankful for everyone who's willing to help. So I will include all the useful links in the description to this video, so you'll be able to see how exactly you can help us if you want to. So I will insert the link for the financial aid to support our Ukrainian forces, and some links where you can spread the verified information. Because as far as you know, Russian people still do not have an access to verified information. They block everything. They block the truth. And it's just crazy. Roma and I are more or less safe now because we lived in Irpin cave region. It was one of the most dangerous cities because Russian troops started bombing all the residential areas there, and we had to evacuate. So Irpin was supposed to be our new home where we wanted to live a long and happy life, but we had to evacuate. But we'll come back for sure and rebuild it. If you want to help, please do that. We need it, and what we need the most is NATO to close Ukrainian sky. It's the most important task as for now, because all the rest we can handle. I think you saw all these pictures of Ukrainians begging for NATO to close the sky, because Russians, they just don't care. They bomb everything. They just want Ukraine to vanish, but it will never happen, for sure. Last but not least, I'm grateful to our Ukrainian armed forces for the opportunity to wake up. They are real heroes, and everyone who is involved to this terrible war is a hero. And I'm so proud of my family members who are defending our freedom and our lives. Thank you so much for watching this video, and please share so everyone can just see the truth and see how they can help. All the links are attached below. And yeah, thank you, and glory to Ukraine.